Hey there, fellow travelers. Clydie here, and boy, have I got a treat for you. Today, we're diving headfirst into the heart of Spain, a country that explodes with vibrant culture, tantalizing cuisine, and history so rich, it practically seeps from the cobblestones. From the sun-drenched beaches of the Costa del Sol to the majestic peaks of the Pyrenees, Spain is a feast for the senses. We'll be exploring bustling cities, charming villages, and everything in between. Get ready for architectural marvels, flamenco rhythms, and the intoxicating aroma of paella. So, buckle up, grab your virtual passport, and let's embark on an unforgettable journey to discover 10 must-visit places in Spain. Barcelona. Oh, Barcelona. This city is a whirlwind of energy and architectural genius. You can't talk about Barcelona without mentioning Antoni Gaudí, the visionary architect. First up, we're stepping into the Sagrada Familia, Gaudí's masterpiece. It's like walking into a living, breathing forest of light and color. The sunlight streams through the stained glass, casting kaleidoscopic patterns on the floor. And just a stone's throw away, we have Park Güell, another Gaudí gem. This whimsical park is like stepping into a fairy tale. From the mosaic-covered benches to the gingerbread-like houses, every corner is a photo opportunity. Barcelona, you had me at hola. Madrid, the vibrant capital of Spain, pulsates with an energy that's both regal and down-to-earth. The city's heart beats strong whether you're exploring grand plazas or enjoying tapas in a lively local bar. Our first stop, the magnificent Royal Palace. It's a stunning display of opulence and history. Next, we're off to the Prado Museum, a treasure trove of European art. Here you'll find masterpieces by Spanish masters like Goya and Velázquez. But Madrid is more than just grand palaces and museums. It's also about soaking up the local life. Wander through the bustling Mercado de San Miguel, or find a sunny spot in Retiro Park and watch the world go by. Madrid is a city that gets under your skin. It's a place to savor life's simple pleasures. Ah, Seville. This city seduced me with its fiery flamenco rhythms, its fragrant orange blossoms, and its undeniable Andalusian charm. Our first stop is the Alcazar of Seville, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that's a breathtaking blend of Moorish and Christian architecture. As you wander through its ornate halls and tranquil gardens, you'll be transported back to Spain's rich and complex past. Next, we'll experience the heart of Seville at the Plaza de España, a grand plaza built for the 1929 Ibero-American Exposition. The plaza's architecture is a stunning display of Spanish regionalism, and its canal with colorful boats is simply enchanting. But Seville is also about embracing the local life. Lose yourself in the narrow streets of the Santa Cruz neighborhood, savor delicious tapas at a traditional bar, and be sure to catch a passionate flamenco performance. Seville is a city that stays with you long after you've left. It's a place where history, culture, and pure joy collide. Nestled in the foothills of the Sierra Nevada mountains lies Granada, a city steeped in history and crowned by the magnificent Alhambra. This Moorish palace complex is a sight to behold, its intricate architecture and serene gardens a testament to a bygone era. Stepping into the Alhambra is like stepping into a fairy tale. The delicate arches, the colorful tilework, the whispering fountains. It's a sensory overload in the best possible way. Be sure to spend some time wandering through the General Life Gardens, a tranquil oasis that offers breathtaking views of the city below. But Granada is more than just the Alhambra. Explore the charming Albaycin neighborhood with its narrow streets and whitewashed houses, and be sure to catch a flamenco performance in a traditional cueva or cave dwelling. Granada is a city that will capture your heart and leave you longing to return. Valencia, Spain's third largest city, is a fascinating blend of old and new. Here, ancient history meets futuristic architecture in a city that's both vibrant and surprisingly livable. Our first stop is the City of Arts and Sciences, a sprawling complex of futuristic buildings designed by the renowned architect Santiago Calatrava. From the opera house that resembles a giant eye to the science museum that looks like a whale skeleton, the City of Arts and Sciences is a feast for the eyes. But Valencia is more than just modern architecture. Explore the historic city center, with its charming plazas and bustling markets. Be sure to sample the local specialty, paella, which is said to have originated in the rice paddies surrounding Valencia. Valencia is a city that will surprise and delight you. It's a place where you can experience the best of both worlds, modern innovation and traditional Spanish charm. Bilbao, once known for its industrial past, has reinvented itself as a hub of art and architecture. And at the heart of this transformation is the Guggenheim Museum, Bilbao, a shimmering titanium masterpiece designed by Frank Gehry. The museum's iconic swirling form is a work of art in itself, and its collection of modern and contemporary art is equally impressive. Be sure to check out the permanent installation by Richard Serra, The Matter of Time, a series of massive steel sculptures that will leave you breathless. But Bilbao is more than just the Guggenheim. Explore the charming Casco Viejo, the city's old quarter with its narrow streets and traditional pinso bars. And be sure to take a stroll along the Nervion River, which winds its way through the heart of the city. Bilbao is a city that will inspire and amaze you. It's a testament to the power of art and architecture to transform a city and its people. Ibiza. The name alone conjures up images of sun-drenched beaches, world-renowned DJs and all-night parties, and while Ibiza certainly delivers on the party front, there's more to this Balearic island than meets the eye. Yes, you can dance till dawn at superclubs like Pacha and Amnesia, but you can also find tranquility in hidden coves, explore ancient ruins, and soak up the bohemian vibe in charming villages. For a taste of Ibiza's history, head to Dalt Vila, the island's fortified old town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, or explore the ancient Phoenician settlement of Sa Caleta, dating back to the 7th century BC. Ibiza is a place of contrasts where you can find both wild abandon and peaceful serenity. It's an island that will invigorate your senses and leave you wanting more. Mallorca, the largest of the Balearic Islands, is a paradise for nature lovers and adventurers. From its stunning coastline to its rugged mountains, Mallorca offers something for everyone. One of the island's most breathtaking natural wonders is the Serra de Tramuntana, a mountain range that runs along Mallorca's northwestern coast. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a hiker's paradise, with trails winding through ancient forests, past hidden waterfalls, and up to panoramic peaks. For a taste of Mallorca's charming towns, head to Valldemossa, a picturesque village nestled in the Tramuntana Mountains, or visit Soler, a town known for its historic tram and its beautiful port. Mallorca is an island that will captivate you with its natural beauty and its laid-back Mediterranean charm. For centuries, pilgrims have flocked to Santiago de Compostela, the legendary burial site of the Apostle St. James. Today, the Camino de Santiago, a network of pilgrimage routes that crisscross Europe, continues to draw travelers from all walks of life. The highlight of any visit to Santiago is the magnificent cathedral, a masterpiece of Romanesque architecture. Be sure to attend the Pilgrim's Mass, a daily service held in honor of those who have completed the Camino. But Santiago is more than just a pilgrimage destination. Explore the city's charming old town, with its narrow streets and lively squares. And be sure to sample the local cuisine, which features fresh seafood and hearty Galician stews. Santiago de Compostela is a city that will inspire you with its history, its spirituality, and its warm Galician hospitality. Perched dramatically atop a sheer cliff, Ronda is a town that will take your breath away. The views from the Puente Nuevo, a bridge that spans the El Tajo Gorge, are simply unforgettable. But Ronda is more than just a pretty face. Explore the town's rich history, from its Roman roots to its Moorish past. Visit the Plaza de Toros, one of Spain's oldest bullrings, or wander through the charming Old Town with its whitewashed houses and flower-filled balconies. As the sun sets over the Andalusian countryside, casting a warm glow over Ronda's dramatic landscape, you'll know you've saved the best for last. And there you have it, folks. 10 incredible places in Spain that are sure to leave you wanting more. From the architectural wonders of Barcelona to the clifftop drama of Ronda, Spain is a country that will stay with you long after you've returned home. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your Spanish adventure today, and be sure to share your thoughts, your favorite destinations, and any questions you have in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future travel adventures. Until next time, happy travels!